What's up, YouTube? So today, you guys already know what I'm doing. I'm unboxing, reviewing the Jordan Y-Not 0.3. Alright? Before us get started though, let's talk about this stimulus check, alright? That everybody's getting. Just want to ask you guys a question. Whenever you get your stimulus check, what are you going to do with it? Are you going to spend it on stunting, flossing, drips, buying ice, chain, new shoes, new clothes, new hats? I just want to know. I'm just wondering if anybody out there is watching, what are you guys doing with your stimulus check? Because I know for a fact everybody's getting about $2,000, and that's quite some money to use. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Like 2,000. Hey, listen, 2,000 can give me some stuff. Can even get you a car. You know what I'm saying? If you've never had a car in your life, and then all of a sudden you got a check for 2,000, you could buy yourself a car. It might not be the greatest car in the world, but it'll definitely be a car. You know what I'm saying? That could get you places. I've been seeing a lot of people flossing with the stimulus check. You know what I'm saying? Buying ice. You know what I'm saying? Buying new watch, new sneakers, new grills, new chain. You know what I'm saying? This stimulus check is having everybody stunting. You know what I'm saying? So I just want to know what you guys going to do with your stimulus check. I just want to know. You know what I'm saying? Are you going to invest it in something? Would you use your stimulus check, your stimulus money, to invest in something? All right? Would you use it towards starting a small business? Would you put it towards something that can furthermore earn you some money in the future? This is what I want to know, because like I said, I see people stunting on this stimulus check, buying new shoes, new chain, new ice, new glasses. This stimulus check is like it's got everybody partying right now. I ain't gonna lie, it's definitely a good thing for everybody, but it's not. If this virus continues to happen over the next few years and over, I don't know what everybody's gonna do, man. What is the society gonna do? Like, how are we gonna be able to cope with it? You know what I'm saying? Like, because we're already wearing masks for like a year already, and you guys know this entire year we're still gonna be wearing masks. We're probably gonna end up wearing masks for the rest of our lives, because nobody can figure this out. You know what I'm saying? But the only good thing that came out of this was still stimulus check. You know what I'm saying? I'm just saying. Who's stunting? Anybody stunting on anybody? You're like, no. You're not buying new watches or new chain. Hey, you know what I'm saying? Hey, well, I'll tell you what. When I get my hands on a stimulus check, I can tell you where it's going. I can tell you that. You know what I mean? But I guess it's the only good thing that's coming out of this thing. Some stimulus check, all right? Some money. Either way, guys, let's talk about this Jordan Y-Not 0.3, all right? You guys know these are basketball kicks, all right? They could be worn on court, or they could be worn off court, all right? The LeBron James shoes, I consider it to be on court kicks because of the way it's designed, its color, the material. I feel like if you wear it outside, it'll be just a little bit messy. You know what I'm saying? If it rains, dust, all that, it'll be hard to clean. Same thing with the Jordan Y-Not 0.3. I feel like they're on-court kicks that shouldn't be worn outside, but they're definitely good basketball shoes. You know what I'm saying? But I don't know. It's up to you whether you want to wear it outside or whether you want to wear it inside. Your choice. You know what I'm saying? But I just feel like it's for the inside. You know what I'm saying? So let's take a look at it. Let's see what it looks like. Let me give you guys a 360, all right? Okay, guys. These are definitely good looking kicks. You know what I'm saying? I love the colors. These colors are called Sail Black Spruce Aura. Okay? I don't know about you guys, but I've never heard of any color called Spruce Aura. Have you guys ever heard of that? I haven't. They're definitely multicolor. All right. I'm loving the color on it. I just love the color. I think it's so dope. To me, these are Encore kicks. All right. And I love the design. Love the design. All right. Love it. Love it. Love it. All right. I think these are the Russell Westbrook Jordan 0.3s. All right. Like I said, these are Encore kicks. If you take a look at the bottom, I love. They've got very, very good grips. All right. You see the design at the bottom, like everything is like a Z kind of shape. All right. Bottoms got crazy grips. Okay, for on court when you're on court playing ball, crazy grip. All right. So whenever you play, you don't be slipping or falling. That's why I like these shoes a lot. I love the design. Like I said, it's made with different materials, man. Like, but it's strong though, right? And it feels really. The soles is what I'm very impressed about. All right. It's got these really chunky soles, and I love the jagged designs around it. All right. All these jagged designs. See right there. They're not light, but they're not heavy. The bottom is where it's mostly heavy at your heels. All right. These are definitely good basketball kicks. I'll say that. But you can wear it outside if you want to. But in my opinion, I just think they're Encore kicks because of the color. I give this right here like an 8 out of 10. I love the design. I love the color. These are, like I said, it's the 0.3. There's a Russell Westbrook. All right. Sail black and spruce aura. Okay. If whatever that means. But yeah, man, these are dope. These are dope. As you can see on this side, it's got kind of like got pink laces over here. These are fire, man. These are definitely fire. I give this an 8 out of 10, definitely for sure. You know what I'm saying? Let me know, guys, if you think this is fire or is it not. Would you cop it? Would you drop? All right. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. It's not time to leave. All right. I'm getting tired. I'm getting tired. Today I've done 3 videos. I'm gonna holler at you guys later. One easy.